We're talking about something that might not be the most glamorous topic, but it's definitely an important one. Signs that it's time to replace your door. Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's a crucial component of your home security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. So, let's dive into the signs that indicate it's time for an upgrade. First up, take a good look at the condition of your door. Is it showing signs of wear and tear, like peeling paint, cracks, or warping? If so, it's likely not providing the level of security and insulation your home needs. Another telltale sign is difficulty in opening and closing your door. If it sticks, squeaks, or feels loose on its hinges, it's a sign of structural issues that could compromise your home security. Speaking of security, if your door lock isn't functioning properly or if it's become loose or damaged, it's time to consider replacing the door. Your family's safety should always be a top priority. Let's not forget about aesthetics. Your front door is one of the first things guests notice about your home. If it looks outdated or doesn't complement the style of your house, upgrading to a more modern and visually appealing door can enhance your home's curb appeal. To wrap things up, if you notice any of these signs: wear and tear, drafts, difficulty in opening or closing, security issues, or outdated style, it's probably time to invest in a new door. Not only will it improve the look of your home, but it'll also enhance security and energy efficiency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on home improvement. See you in the next video.